Dressmakers and friends, welcome back again on the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I beaded on this surface cording we did on the channel sometimes back. So I have my beads which I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be showing you how to go about it. First thing, I only need to get a matching thread that match with the background of the fabric. Okay, then I choose my seed bead. In this case I'm using broken beads. Okay, go ahead and do or choose the bead that you so desire and take a close look at how I'm doing this. I'm simply going to be using the back stitch technique to secure the beads into the fabric. Okay, take a look at how I'm doing it again. I'm just going to be picking my beads. After that, I just pass the bead down to the fabric, and after that all I just simply needs to do is just to go backward. If you've been following this channel, you know, and I know you'll be familiar with the back stitch beading technique, and that's what we are using here. So you just look like you're going to the back, okay, maybe like 3 to 4 beads, then you come in through the last 3 to 4 beads, just as you have seen it. So this is just a simple tutorial that I thought I needed to show you, because a number of people have been asking me how did I bead inside of the cords. Watch the video closely and I am sure that you are going to actually understand. I am picking 5 to 7 beads per time. Okay, in your own case you can do 5, but the important thing is you have to use the back stitch method so that all the beads can actually secure in nicely. And this is just the simple way that I use to actually stitch up all of the beads that you see on this blouse. Okay, so now you just want to choose where you want the bead to be on your surface cord, because you know you must, if surface cord must have followed a particular design. So just do your design, follow it the way you want it, and then bead in it just like you are seeing me doing this right now. You can also use the running stitches, but make sure that if you are using running stitches, you should not have multiple beads at once. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and also give this video a thumbs up. I am sure that this video will be helpful to you. Okay, so also if you have any questions, you know I'm always here to answer your questions. Drop your questions for me in the comments, and you can also drop me some sweet comments as well. This is how I actually beaded all of these surface cords, and you can see that this is actually the final result. Okay, all right dressmakers, I hope you have found this video really useful. I'll see you again in these next tutorials.